So my infant and toddler curriculum showed up today, so let's unbox it together. A thank you note, and then it tells you about professional development, so that's pretty cool. And all of it came in this little box, so I expect it to be bigger. Let's see what it is. Okay, so these are the area signs. It tells you what they are, why they're important, and how to use them. So that's pretty cool. The daily routine cards. And these are different than the preschool ones I noticed online, so I'm kind of excited to see what that looks like. Let's open it. Arrival time. So like they come in different sizes, and I love the way that that represents like the time of the day that this unit takes. We got arrival time. Cleanup time looks different. It's got balls. Bodily care time, so that's like diaper changes apparently. 4 of those. Greeting time, which is the same. Planning time. Recall time. Looks like they're talking. It's cute. And then, oh, that's interesting. Some blank ones. So group time with materials. Is that like small group for preschool? Departure. I like that. They're going, got their little backpack. This is probably the teacher. This is probably the family. That's so cute. Breakfast time, that looks the same. Snack time. And some blank ones. For like the medium size. Besides the times of the day that just take a little bit longer. Okay. And this is the second to largest one. So we have nap time. Or rest time. Lunch time. It's longer than breakfast and snack. Outside time. I love it. And then some blank cards to write your own thing. Okay, so these are the biggest ones, the biggest chunks of our day. Choice time, which is like work time. And then a blank one. So that's cool. Now, I was really excited to see that. And this says what they are, why they're important, and how to use them. Love it. Small area cards. The infant and toddler curriculum, like this cannot be the whole thing. Welcome to active learning. Cute. The essentials. Okay, so it just outlines what everything is. Love it. Rhythmic moving. This is really great. It's music without words. Big beats for young peeps. I've never used this one before, so I'm excited about that one. The KDIs. Nice and laminated. So lesson plan for the first 30 days. And it's plans for a strong start. So that's different. Oh, okay. This one is for infants specifically. And this one is for toddlers specifically. I'm really excited to read this and see how it's different from preschoolers. I guess this is a DVD on the environment. Maybe how to set up the environment. Tender care and early learning. Supporting infants and toddlers in childcare settings. So I'm not even sure what this one's about, but I'm excited to read it. I'm assuming it's about also the learning environment. So a letter link book on how to give children's name meaningful print. Let's find out how to use this, or like what it looks like. For preschoolers, it's the purple one, I think. Tells you different ways to use it. Activities. Okay, and then it gives you some samples. Alright, that is so exciting. And then this is let's play and learn together at home activities for infants and toddlers. So I'm wondering if this is what you, like activities you can share with families to do with their children at home. And then the last thing in here comes with a songbook. Definitely checking that out. Opening it right now. I thought I would have the core assessment guide, but I don't. I'm wondering if I can purchase it separately. Or maybe I have to purchase the core assessment package to get that. I will find out. Come on, songbook. Okay. Let's see. Happy birthday, Humpty Dumpty. If you're happy, you know it. I'm a little teapot. Teensy Weensy Spider, you're my sunshine. Patty cake. This is so exciting. Little Red Wagon. Oh my gosh. My daughter loves that song. So this has been opening the Highscope infant toddler curriculum for the first time, and I'm so excited to use it and set it up.